Hot Springs, Arkansas. Hot Springs is a city in the state of Arkansas and the county seat of Garland County. The city is located in the Ouachita Mountains among the U.S. interior highlands, and is set among several natural hot springs for which the city is named. As of the 2010 United States Census, the city had a population of 35,193. In 2017 the estimated population was 36,915. The center of Hot Springs is the oldest federal reserve in the United States, today preserved as Hot Springs National Park. The hot spring water has been popularly believed for centuries to possess medicinal properties, and was a subject of legend among several Native American tribes. Following federal protection in 1832, the city developed into a successful spa town. Incorporated January 10, 1851, the city has been home to Major League Baseball spring training, illegal gambling, speakeasies, and gangsters such as Al Capone, horse racing at Oaklawn Park, the Army and Navy Hospital, and 42nd President Bill Clinton. One of the largest Pentecostal denominations in the United States, the Assemblies of God, traces its beginnings to Hot Springs. Today, much of Hot Springs' history is preserved by various government entities. Hot Springs National Park is maintained by the National Park Service, including Bathhouse Row, which preserves the 8 historic bathhouse buildings and gardens along Central Avenue. Downtown Hot Springs is preserved as the Central Avenue Historic District, listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The city also contains dozens of historic hotels and motor courts, built during the Great Depression in the Art Deco style. Due to the popularity of the thermal waters, Hot Springs benefited from rapid growth during a period when many cities saw a sharp decline in building, much like Miami's Art Deco districts. As a result, Hot Springs' architecture is a key part of the city's blend of cultures, including a reputation as a tourist town and a southern city. Also a destination for the arts, Hot Springs features the Hot Springs Music Festival, Hot Springs Documentary Film Festival, and the Valley of the Vapors Independent Music Festival annually. History, discovery and settlement. Members of many Native American tribes had been gathering in the valley for untold numbers of years to enjoy the healing properties of the thermal springs. In 1673, Father Marquette and Joliet explored the area and claimed it for France. The 1763 Treaty of Paris ceded the land to Spain, however, in 1800 control was returned to France until the Louisiana Purchase of 1803. In December 1804, Dr. George Hunter and William Dunbar made an expedition to the springs, finding a lone log cabin and a few rudimentary shelters used by people visiting the springs for their healing properties. In 1807, a man named Prudhomme became the first settler of modern Hot Springs, and he was soon joined by John Percival and Isaac Cates. On August 24, 1818, the Quapaw Indians ceded the land around the Hot Springs to the United States in a treaty. After Arkansas became its own territory in 1819, the Arkansas Territorial Legislature requested in 1820 that the springs and adjoining mountains be set aside as a federal reservation. 12 years later, in 1832, the Hot Springs Reservation was created by the United States Congress, granting federal protection of the thermal waters. The reservation was renamed Hot Springs National Park in 1921. Civil War. The outbreak of the American Civil War left Hot Springs with a declining bathing population. After the Confederate forces suffered defeat in the Battle of Pea Ridge in March 1862, the Union troops advanced toward the Confederate city of Little Rock. Confederate Governor Henry M. Rector moved his staff and state records to Hot Springs. Union forces did not attack Little Rock, and the government returned to the capital city on July 14, 1862. Many residents of Hot Springs fled to Texas or Louisiana and remained there until the end of the war. In September 1863, Union forces occupied Little Rock. During this period, Hot Springs became the prey of guerrilla bands loosely associated with either Union or Confederate forces. They pillaged and burned the near-deserted town, leaving only a few buildings standing at the end of the Civil War. Rebuilding. After the Civil War, an extensive rebuilding of bathhouses and hotels took place at Hot Springs. The year-round population soared to 1,200 inhabitants by 1870. By 1873, 6 bathhouses and 24 hotels and boarding houses stood near the springs. In 1874, Joseph Reynolds announced his decision to construct a narrow-gauge railroad from Malvern to Hot Springs. Completion in 1875 resulted in the growth of visitation to the springs. Samuel W. Fordyce and 2 other entrepreneurs financed the construction of the first luxury hotel in the area, the First Arlington Hotel, which opened in 1875. During the Reconstruction era, several conflicting land claims reached the U.S. Congress and resulted in an April 24, 1876, Supreme Court ruling that the land title of Hot Springs belonged to the federal government. Protests ensued. To deal with the situation, Congress formed the Hot Springs Commission to lay out streets in the town of Hot Springs, deal with land claims, define property lines, condemn buildings illegally on the permanent reservation, now the National Park, and define a process for claimants to purchase land. The Commission surveyed and set aside 264.93 acres, 1.0721 square kilometers, encompassing the Hot Springs and Hot Springs Mountain to be a permanent government reservation. Another 1,200 acres, 4.9 square kilometers, became the Hot Springs town site, with 700 acres, 2.8 square kilometers, awarded to claimants. The town site consisted of 196 blocks and 50 miles, 80 kilometers, of streets and alleys. The remaining portion of the original 4 sections of government land consisted of hills and mountains which were mostly unoccupied, and Congress acted on the Commission's recommendation in June 1880 by adding those lands to the permanent reservation. Baseball in Hot Springs. Hot Springs has a rich baseball history. During the early 20th century, Hot Springs was known for baseball training camps. Often called the birthplace of spring training baseball, Hot Springs first welcomed Major League Baseball in 1886, when the Chicago White Stockings, now the Chicago Cubs, brought their coaches and players to the city in preparation for the upcoming season. Chicago White Stockings president Albert Spalding, the founder of A.G. Spalding, and player/manager Cap Anson introduced the concept of players having training and fitness before the start of the regular season. This move gave credit to Hot Springs being called the birthplace of spring training baseball. Both Spalding and Anson liked the city and the natural springs for their players. They first played in an area behind what is now the Garland County Courthouse on Washita Avenue. It was called the Hot Springs Baseball Grounds. Many other teams followed Chicago and soon began training in Hot Springs. Needing additional venues for teams to play, Whittington Park was built in 1894, followed by Majestic Park, 1908, and Fogle Field, 1912. 134 members of the Baseball Hall of Fame are documented to have trained or played in Hot Springs. The Cleveland Spiders, Pittsburgh Pirates, Brooklyn Dodgers, Chicago Cubs, Cincinnati Reds, Detroit Tigers, New York Yankees, St. Louis Cardinals and Boston Red Sox were among the teams that made Hot Springs their home base. Negro League teams also utilized Hot Springs for spring training. The Pittsburgh Crawfords of the Negro Major Leagues utilized Fogle Field for spring training from 1932 to 35. Their roster contained Baseball Hall of Fame inductees Cool Papa Bell, Josh Gibson, Oscar Charleston, and Judy Johnson. The Homestead Grays held spring training at Fogle Field in 1930 and 1931. On their roster were numerous Hall of Fame players: Cool Papa Bell, Josh Gibson, Oscar Charleston, Judd Wilson, Bill Foster, Judy Johnson, Smokey Joe Williams, Willie Wells, and Cum Posey. St. Patrick's Day, 1918, is nicknamed the day that changed baseball forever. Boston Red Sox pitcher Babe Ruth hit a long home run into the Arkansas Alligator Farm and Petting Zoo that altered the course of baseball history. In the opening exhibition game against Brooklyn at Whittington Park, Ruth, coming off a 24-13 season, was a last-minute replacement at first base, his first time at a position other than pitcher. Ruth hit 2 long home runs that day while playing the field for the first time. His first home run was a long blast that landed in a wood pile. However, his second home run is legendary in its record-setting length and eventual effect on Ruth. It was a shot that traveled an astonishing estimated 573 feet. After that day Ruth became a hitter, switching from being just a pitcher. In Hot Springs, Ruth could be seen walking the streets, visiting the bath spas, and gambling at the nearby horse track. There is a Ruth plaque both inside and outside the Alligator Farm, as well as a home plate marker at the former Whittington Park across the street. The Pittsburgh Pirates trained for over a decade at Whittington Park. Hall of Fame shortstop Honus Wagner became a fixture in the city. As evidence of this, Wagner purchased and donated basketball uniforms and equipment to Hot Springs High School in 1912. The uniforms were in the Pittsburgh Pirates colors of black and gold, and subsequently the high school switched permanently to those colors. Wagner also refereed a basketball game for the school that season, something he would later repeat. On October 22, 1953, Jackie Robinson played in an exhibition game at J.C. Park. Having broken Major League Baseball's color barrier in 1947, Robinson's squad played the Negro American League All-Stars that day, losing 14-9. In 1952, 18-year-old shortstop Hank Aaron played for the Negro League Indianapolis Clowns against the Birmingham Black Barons at J.C. Park in the Negro League World Series. The First Boys of Spring is a 2015 documentary on the history of Hot Springs baseball spring training. The film features many Hot Springs historical items and references. Produced by Arkansas filmmaker Larry Foley, it is narrated by Hot Springs area native, actor Billy Bob Thornton. The Foley documentary is aired nationally on the MLB Network, first airing in February 2016. Today, as part of the Hot Springs Baseball Historic Trail, there are 26 green plaques/markers posted throughout Hot Springs that identify the key people and locations, with an app available to provide live information. 1913 fire. On September 5, 1913, a fire broke out on Church Street a few blocks southeast of Bathhouse Row, near the Army and Navy Hospital. The fire burned southeast, away from the hospital, until the wind reversed an hour later. Racing toward the business section, it destroyed the Ozark Sanitarium and Hot Springs High School on its way across Malvern Avenue. Along the way it consumed the public utilities plant, which destroyed the firefighters' water supply. A wide front then was blown toward Washita Avenue, which destroyed the Garland County Courthouse. The Hot Springs Fire Department fought alongside the Little Rock Fire Department, which had rushed over on a special train. Despite their efforts, numerous homes, at least 100 businesses, 4 hotels, the Iron Mountain Railroad facilities, and the Crystal Theater were destroyed. A rainstorm finally quenched the blaze at Hazel Street. Although Central Avenue was ultimately protected, primarily by desperate use of dynamite, much of the southern part of the city was destroyed. Damage was estimated at $10 million across 60 blocks. Formation of the Assemblies of God. From April 12, 1914, several Pentecostal Christian leaders gathered in Hot Springs to form what became known as the Assemblies of God. It has since grown to become one of the largest Pentecostal denominations in the United States, with 3,146,741 adherents, 12,849 churches, and 36,884 ministers, as of 2014. Gangsters and illegal gambling. Illegal gambling became firmly established in Hot Springs during the decades following the Civil War, with 2 factions, the Flynns and the Duruns, fighting one another throughout the 1880s for control of the town. Frank Flynn, leader of the Flynn faction, had effectively begun paying local law enforcement officers employed by both the Hot Springs Police Department and the Garland County Sheriff's Office to collect unpaid debts, as well as to intimidate gambling rivals. This contributed to the March 16, 1899, Hot Springs gunfight, Of the 7 Hot Springs police officers who have been killed while in service of the department, 3 died during that gunfight, killed by deputies of the Garland County Sheriff's Office. 1 part-time deputy sheriff was killed also, by the Hot Springs officers. Along with Bathhouse Row, one of downtown Hot Springs' most noted landmarks is the Arlington Hotel, a favored retreat for Al Capone. Hot Springs eventually became a national gambling mecca, led by Owney Madden and his Hotel Arkansas Casino. The period 1927–1947 was its wagering pinnacle, with no fewer than 10 major casinos and numerous smaller houses running wide open, the largest such operation in the United States at the time. Hotels advertised the availability of prostitutes, and off-track booking was available for virtually any horse race in North America. Local law enforcement was controlled by a political machine run by long-serving Mayor Leo P. McLaughlin. The McLaughlin organization purchased hundreds of poll tax receipts, many in the names of deceased or fictitious persons, which would sometimes be voted in different precincts. A former sheriff, who attempted to have the state's anti-gambling laws enforced and to secure honest elections, was murdered in 1937. No one was ever charged with his killing. Machine domination of city and county government was abruptly ended in 1946 with the election of a government improvement slate of returning World War II veterans led by Marine Lieutenant Colonel Sid McMath, who was elected prosecuting attorney. A 1947 grand jury indicted several owners and promoters, as well as McLaughlin, for public servant bribery. Although the former mayor and most of the others were acquitted, the machine's power was broken and gambling came to a halt, as McMath led a statewide GI revolt into the governor's office in 1948. Illegal casino gambling resumed, however, with the election of Orville Faubus as governor in 1954. Buoyed into 12 years in office by his popular defiance of federal court desegregation orders, Faubus turned a blind eye to gambling in Hot Springs. Gambling was finally closed down permanently in 1967 by 2 Republican office holders, Governor Winthrop Rockefeller and Circuit Judge Henry M. Britt. Rockefeller sent in a company of state troopers to shutter the casinos and burn their gaming equipment. Until other forms of gambling became legal in Arkansas 4 decades later, Oak Lawn Park, a thoroughbred horse racing track south of downtown, was the only legal gambling establishment in Hot Springs and one of only 2 in the state of Arkansas. The other was the Southland Greyhound Park dog track in West Memphis. Both Oak Lawn and Southland remain in operation. World War II. The military took over the enormous Eastman Hotel across the street from the Army and Navy Hospital in 1942 because the hospital was not nearly large enough to hold the sick and wounded coming in. In 1944, the Army began redeploying returning overseas soldiers. Officials inspected hotels in 20 cities before selecting Hot Springs as a redistribution center for returning soldiers. In August 1944, the Army took over most of the hotels in Hot Springs. The soldiers from the West Central states received a 21-day furlough before reporting to the redistribution station. They spent 14 days updating their military records and obtaining physical and dental treatment. The soldiers had time to enjoy the baths at a reduced rate and other recreational activities. The redistribution center closed down in December 1945 after processing more than 32,000 members of the military. In 1946, after the war, the Eastman was demolished when the federal government no longer needed it. 21st century. In 2013, the Metro was ranked by Forbes as one of the top small places for business and careers, citing a low cost of doing business, high job growth and an educated workforce. The first cannabis dispensary in the state opened in May 2019 in the city. Geography. Hot Springs is located in southeastern Garland County at 34°2950 and 93°0319 W/34.497138° and 93.055393° W/34.497138, -93.055393. It sits at the southeastern edge of the Ouachita Mountains and is 55 miles, 89 kilometers, southwest of Little Rock. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city of Hot Springs has a total area of 35.1 square miles, 91.0 square kilometers, of which 35.0 square miles, 90.7 square kilometers, is land and 0.1 square miles, 0.3 square kilometers, or 0.35%, is water. Natural springs. The city takes its name from the natural thermal water that flows from 47 springs on the western slope of Hot Springs Mountain in the historic downtown district of the city. About 1 million US gallons, 3,800,000 L, of 143 degrees Fahrenheit, 62 degrees Celsius, flow from the springs each day. The flow rate is not affected by fluctuations in the rainfall in the area. Studies by National Park Service scientists have determined through radiocarbon dating that the water that reaches the surface in Hot Springs fell as rainfall 4,400 years earlier. The water percolates very slowly down through the Earth's surface until it reaches superheated areas deep in the crust and then rushes rapidly to the surface to emerge from the 47 hot springs. Hot Springs Creek flows from Whittington Avenue, then is underground in a tunnel beneath Bathhouse Row, Central Ave. It emerges from the tunnel south of Bathhouse Row, then flows through the southern part of the city before emptying into Lake Hamilton, a reservoir on the Washita River. Climate. Hot Springs lies in the humid subtropical climate zone, Köppen CFA. The climate in this area is characterized by hot, humid summers and generally mild to cool winters. July and August are the hottest months of the year, with an average high of 93 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius, and an average low of 70.5 degrees Fahrenheit, 21.4 degrees Celsius. The city's highest temperature was 115 degrees Fahrenheit, 46.1 degrees Celsius, recorded in 1986. The lowest temperature recorded was 5 degrees F, 20.6 degrees C, in 1989. Precipitation is weekly seasonal, with a bimodal pattern, wet seasons in the spring and fall, and relatively drier summers and winters, but some rain in all months. The spring wet season is more pronounced than fall, with the highest rainfall in May. Hot Springs precipitation is affected by the orographic effect of the Washita Mountains. Demographics. Hot Springs is the principal city of the Hot Springs metropolitan area, which includes all of Garland County, registering a population of 96,024 in 2010 according to the United States Census Bureau. As of the census of 2000, there were 35,750 people, 16,096 households, and 9,062 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,086.9 people per square mile, 419.7/km2. There were 18,813 housing units at an average density of 572.0 per square mile, 220.8/km2. The racial makeup of the city was 78.86% white, 16.87% black or African American, 0.55% Native American, 0.79% Asian, 0.05% Pacific Islander, 1.02% from other races, and 1.86% from two or more races. 3.80% of the population were Hispanic or Latino of any race. There were 16,096 households, out of which 22.0% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 40.2% were married couples living together, 12.4% had a female householder with no husband present, and 43.7% are classified as non-families by the United States Census Bureau. Of 16,096 households, 690 are unmarried partner households, 580 heterosexual, 78 same-sex male, and 32 same-sex female. 38.4% of all households were made up of individuals and 18.3% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.12 and the average family size was 2.80. In the city, the population was spread out with 20.2% under the age of 18, 8.2% from 18 to 24, 25.4% from 25 to 44, 23.0% from 45 to 64, and 23.2% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 42 years. For every 100 females, there were 88.4 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 84.6 males. The median income for a household in the city was $26,040, and the median income for a family was $32,819. Males had a median income of $25,861 versus $20,155 for females. The per capita income for the city was $17,961. About 13.7% of families and 19.2% of the population were below the poverty line, including 30.7% of those under age 18 and 11.7% of those age 65 or over. Arts and culture. The city has been a tourist mecca for generations due to the thermal waters and attractions such as Oaklawn Park, a thoroughbred racing facility, Magic Springs and Crystal Falls theme parks, a fine arts community that has earned the city the number 4 position among America's top 100 small arts towns, the Hot Springs Music Festival, and the Hot Springs Documentary Film Festival, held each October at the historic Malco Theater, attracting numerous Academy Award-winning films and producers. Annual cultural events. Other annual events in town include the Valley of the Vapors Music Festival, the Free Hot Springs Jazz Festival in September, the Free Hot Springs Blues Festival in September, the Downtown Bathtub Races in the spring, the Big Barbecue Cook-Off in spring and fall, the world's shortest St. Patrick's Day Parade every March 17th, and the outdoor skating rink November through January. Venues for live music are Low Key Arts, Maxine's, the Ohio Club, the Big Chill, and the Arlington Hotel among many others. Superlift Off-Road Vehicle Park hosts the annual Washita Jeep Jamboree, an off-road adventure weekend that draws people and their 4x4s from a dozen states. Educational institutes and conventions are important events in the Spa City. Perhaps the most popular of these events is the Hot Springs Technology Institute, HSTI, drawing over 1,300 participants each June. Hot Springs is also home to the annual alternate reality game Midnight Madness, based on the movie from which it gets its name. Teams race throughout the city at night, solving clues based on difficult puzzle and physical challenges. Games last 12 hours or more, with the winning team designing the following year's game. Tourism. Arkansas Alligator Farm and Petting Zoo. Founded on Whittington Avenue in 1902, the Arkansas Alligator Farm and Petting Zoo features approximately 200 alligators. The zoo also contains cougars, turkeys, chickens, wild boars, turtles, bobcats, and ring-tailed lemurs. A petting zoo with goats, emus, llamas, white-tailed deer, pigs, baby alligators, and other animals allows visitors to touch and feed the animals. An alligator feeding show includes educational material about the animals. Bathhouse Row, Hot Springs National Park. Bathhouse Row, consisting of 8 turn-of-the-century historic buildings, lies within Hot Springs National Park and is managed by the National Park Service. Fordyce Bathhouse was restored in 1989 as the park's visitor center and the beginning of restoring all properties on Bathhouse Row. The series of renovations and leasing public spaces to commercial owners became a model for similar projects across the nation. Buckstaff Bathhouse has been in continuous operation since 1912 and is one of the best preserved structures on Bathhouse Row. The Buckstaff Bathhouse Company has completed the majority of maintenance and renovation that has occurred without outside funding. The Quapaw was restored by the NPS in 2004, and the renovated structure was leased to Quapaw Baths, LLC, which now operates a modern spa with pools and hot tubs. The Lamar was renovated into offices for park staff and Bathhouse Row Emporium, the park's official store. The Superior Bathhouse Brewery and Distillery has occupied Superior Bathhouse since 2012, using hot spring water in its beers and spirits. As of February 2014, the Maurice, Ozark, and Hale bathhouses are all available for rent from the NPS. Atop Hot Springs Mountain in the park is the Hot Springs Mountain Tower, a 216-foot, 66 m, observation tower built in 1982. Central Avenue. Along Bathhouse Row is Central Avenue, Highway 7, lined with historic buildings, businesses, and tourist attractions. Today preserved by NRHP as Hot Springs Central Avenue Historic District, the district includes 77 contributing properties to the district between Prospect Street and Park Avenue. Included within this district are the 1924 Arlington Hotel, the Medical Arts Building, a 1929 Art Deco high-rise, and the Wade Building, built in 1927 in the neoclassical style. Garvin Woodland Gardens. Founded by the daughter of a lumber and brick magnate in 1985, the 210-acre, 85-ha, botanical garden on Ark Ridge Road features native Ouachita Mountains flora among rocky streams and waterfalls. Garvin also has a Japanese-themed section with several species native to Japan throughout. The garden is situated on a peninsula jutting into Lake Hamilton and began as Verna Garvin's personal garden for decades before being donated to the University of Arkansas Landscape Architecture Department. Historic hotels and districts. 13 of Hot Springs' hotels are individually listed by the NRHP within the city, with more being listed as contributing properties within other districts. 4 of Hot Springs' neighborhoods are preserved as historic districts by the National Register of Historic Places, and the city also contains 5 historically important commercial districts in addition to the aforementioned Bathhouse Row and Central Avenue Historic District. The city contains several historic hotels, including the Arlington Hotel, Jack Tar Hotel and Bathhouse, Mountaineer Hotel Historic District, Park Hotel, and the Riviera Hotel. During Hot Springs' heyday, several tourists visiting the city stayed at motor courts, the precursor to today's hotels. The NRHP recognizes 7 of these motels as culturally and historically significant: Bel Air Court Historic District, Cottage Courts Historic District, Cove Tourist Court, George Klein Tourist Court Historic District, Linwood Tourist Court Historic District, Parkway Courts Historic District, Perry Plaza Court Historic District, and the Taylor Rosamond Motel Historic District. The Fordyce Ricks House Historic District at 1501 Park Avenue includes 3 buildings on 37 acres, 15 ha, formerly owned by Samuel W. Fordyce, a prominent businessman and railroad executive who moved to Hot Springs in 1876. The house and outbuildings are built as log cabins in the Adirondack style. The Pleasant Street Historic District along Malvern Avenue, colloquially Black Broadway, contains 93 contiguous buildings associated with the city's African American community. Included within the district are the Visitors Chapel AIM Church and the Woodman of Union Building, along with 69 other contributing structures. A variety of architectural styles are used, with many of the structures using brick facades. The Quapaw Prospect Historic District contains 233 structures near downtown Hot Springs, with 139 residential houses contributing to the character of the district, built between 1890 and 1950 in several architectural styles. The Whittington Park Historic District is a residential district lining Whittington Park, a long, narrow park between 2 one-way streets created by the National Park Service in 1897. The 1896-1960 district contains 60 single-family houses and 10 other structures. Predominantly craftsman, ranch, and Queen Anne-style buildings, the district is northwest of downtown Hot Springs. 7 districts in Hot Springs have special historical significance to the city's past economy. In addition to the aforementioned Bathhouse Row and Central Avenue Historic District, the Army and Navy General Hospital Historic District includes 31 buildings surrounding and supporting the former Army-Navy Hospital. Built in 1933, the 6-story brick building built in the Spanish colonial revival style with Art Deco detailing is the centerpiece of the district, and remains the most imposing figure on the Hot Springs skyline. The Forest Service Headquarters Historic District encompasses 6 structures on Winona and Indiana Streets built by the Civilian Conservation Corps as the headquarters of the Jesseville Ranger District of the Ouachita National Forest. The Hot Springs Railroad Warehouse Historic District preserves 3 brick buildings between the Missouri Pacific Railroad tracks and Broadway. Almost entirely unaltered, the 1920s structures are associated with the railroad industry, which was extremely important to Hot Springs in the early 20th century. As the city grew during the early 20th century, commercial activity developed along Washita Avenue south of Bathhouse Row, today preserved as the Washita Avenue Historic District. Mostly consisting of brick commercial and multifamily buildings, the district maintains the character of an historic commercial area. The 1905 Peter Joplin Commercial Block building was the only building to survive the 1913 Black Friday fire, making it a remnant of early commercial activity on Washita Avenue when all contemporary structures have been destroyed. Lake Catherine and Lake Hamilton. Lake Hamilton and Lake Catherine are 2 reservoirs of the Washita River south of Hot Springs created for hydroelectric power generation and recreational uses. Both created by Arkansas Power and Light, APNL, Lake Catherine formed following the construction of Remmel Dam in the 1920s. Following a donation of over 2,000 acres, 810 ha.